Ilona, I know this sounds like a cliche, but it is true. From the moment we first met, I knew that you were the one I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. With your radiant smile and effervescent personality, you have shown me the meaning of true love. Our time together is both comforting and rewarding. The adventures we have shared, our first hike together at Joffrey Lakes, driving around Hawaii in our Jeep Wrangler, backpacking through Panama, and of course trekking to the top of Mount Robson where this all began.
We have come a long way. We started off as colleagues and we were a solid team, if I may say so myself. Then we naturally became close friends. Needless to say, you won me over. With each passing day, you occupied more and more of my mind.
Welcome to the top of the world. Ilona, Chris, here we are at your wedding. I would like to acknowledge where we are right now. To recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the giant rocks, clouds, this beautiful view.
Hi.
Hi, dear.
Hi, you ready?
You stand side by side after reaching the goal you set out to accomplish together. The whole world is laid out before you, and there are so many mountains left for you to climb, but take the time to celebrate each one. Celebrate each milestone, big or small. Celebrate each other's accomplishments. Celebrate each other's hardships you overcome. Sometimes you should celebrate for no reason at all, just because you're together.
With this ring, we forge a new path on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
I will always love you.
For everything that you've done, for everything that you will do, and for everything that you are, thank you, and I wholeheartedly appreciate you.
Sometimes winning's losing fast and moving past who is right and who is wrong. And sometimes leaving's all I've got, even when I know it's not. 'Cause our love is too strong for that kind of talk to be more than a thought.
I vow to ensure the rest of our lives remain full of adventure, laughter, and most importantly, love. I'm a better, stronger person for having you in my life, and I am truly looking forward to the wonderful years that lay ahead. You will forever and always be my muffin. I love you.
Now, for the best part. As you, Chris, and you, Ilona, have consented to legal wedlock and have declared your solemn intention before these witnesses and in my presence. Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
We did it!
Now you're two persons, but there's only one life before you. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion and your days together be good and long upon the earth.